Hi, my name is Jinon Simon. My register number is URK17CS049. Now we are going to see a small BMI application program in the Android Studio. So here is the program. Here we are creating a package called My Sample Application. Then afterwards we are importing all the files, and then importing files such as bundle view, button, edit text and text view. And then what we are doing is we are assuming private text where we will get the height and weight here in the both of the edit text, and we are giving a button as BMI, and we are giving a text view as a result, and the comment we are also giving here. Then afterwards in the protected void on create we are assuming number 1 and number 2 as edit text find view by id r.id number 1, and for the number 2 we are assuming the id as num2. And for the BMI also we are creating is for in the place of edit text we are giving as button, and then we are giving it as find view by id r.id.bmi. then the result and the comment both we are giving a text view, and we are giving find view by id r.id.result, and for the comment we are assuming the id as comment. And then we are creating an object BMI dot set on click listener. Then we are giving here new view dot on click listener, and when we click the BMI button, it want to assume the weight and height of the each number. We are making the weight, we are assuming the weight as the number 1 and the height as the number 2. And for when we click the BMI button, it want to take the values of the weight and the height, and it want to produce how much weight how much weight we are having in the BMI result, and then what is the comment, that means at which point our height is, likewise it want to display here. So here we are giving the BMI condition here it will produce the result, and it will check the condition, and it will produce what type of height we are in. And then here we are giving an in the XML file we are creating an XML for the button. Here we are assuming an ID for it, we are assuming width and height, which is a wrap content, and then afterwards we are giving the text as BMI, and then we are creating two edit text files, which is also in which we are assuming that as number 1 and number 2, and for the number 2 we are giving the hint as height, and for the number 1 we are giving the hint as weight. And here in the input type we want to give a text as person name, and we are creating a 2 text view. In that one text view is the result, and another text view is a comment. Then afterwards we are giving this text size of each text view, and then we are closing the constraint layout. Now we are going to see the output for it. So here is the output. Now I am going to give an height, which is I am giving a default height here, weight here, and I am also assuming some height here. Then afterwards I am clicking the BMI, and here it is showing the BMI result, and it is showing how much weight we are having. This is the end of the program. Then we'll give another values. Here I am going to increase the height as we are giving the same values here. And afterwards we are giving the BMI, and it's showing some other values, and it's showing the comment how much weight you are having. So this is the end of the program. Thank you.